हाय। तो हमने कुछ क्वेश्चंस पूछे थे, मैंने आपको इंस्टाग्राम पे पूछा था कि अगर आपके पास कुछ क्वेश्चंस हैं तो बताइए। तो मुझे आ गए हैं वो सारे, कुछ मैंने हैंड पिक्ड क्वेश्चंस हैं, तो आई एम गोइंग टू आंसर ऑल ऑफ दैट। और जिनकी आंसर नहीं कर रही हूँ बुरा मत मानना, ओके? आई एम स्टिल विद यू। ओके, द फर्स्ट वन, ओ माय गॉड, इमोशनल वन। Why did the Canadian leg of the tour not happen? Any plans for new dates in Canada? So, yes, it was really unfortunate. हम लोगों ने पूरी कोशिश की थी कि हम कनाडा करें, लेकिन ड्यू टू सम अनअवॉइडेबल सर्कमस्टांसेस जो यहाँ एक्सप्लेन की नहीं जा सकती अनफॉर्चुनेटली, हम नहीं कर पाए। लेकिन आपसे ज़्यादा मुझे दुख था उस बात का, बिकॉज Canada was like just so close and we could have just gone and done 2-3 shows easily, but that didn't happen. But we are definitely planning on coming soon and perform for you. दूसरा, wow, can we expect any special guests, artists during the tour? सवाल अच्छा है. Now that I have this question, I will think about it. Or let me just put it this way, okay, why don't you want to be surprised? How do you get the energy to do these many tours? It's not easy, of course, but when your work happens to be your love and passion, then तब पता नहीं पड़ता कि कब वक्त बीत गया और कितनी उसमें मेहनत हो रही है, कितना रिहर्स किया जा रहा है. इनफैक्ट आई फील स्टेज पर भी जब हम होते हैं तो मुझे लगता है मैं तो a better version of my rehearsal ही कर रही होती हूँ, because there's no end to doing better and better, right? So, and I'm always looking forward to shows क्योंकि you know, with the makeup on and the costume, it's a different vibe of course, but deep in my heart I'm like I want to give my 100% क्योंकि this has to be the better version of what we rehearsed, and energy आ जाती है. I think thankfully it's not a job for me, so all my heart and all my energy is for just this. Who are your dream collaborations that you would like to work with in the future? Earlier on I used to have a lot of dreams, like I want to collaborate with this person, that person. But with time now, a lot of things have changed and a lot of people are collaborating with each other. East meets West wala cheez ab raha nahi. Ab everybody wants to, do things around the world and travel and share each other's cultures and music, so it's much easier now. So now I'm confused because it's possible to happen. Right now I am already working on so much of my own stuff that collaboration is always at bay. If something really interesting comes up, then I would love to, but for now I'm really looking forward to coming up with my next song, my next singers or my EP. That's what I'm working on. बल्ब बंटिंग होती है ना, वैसा वाइब आ रहा है. एक व्हाट कीप्स यू गोइंग फॉर टूर्स? व्हाट डू यू डू फॉर रिलैक्सेशन बिटवीन टूर्स? Don't ask me about that. For relaxation, what I would want to do could be the question. I would eat chocolates. I would eat popcorn all day, all kinds of snacks, all the junk. That is my way of relaxing. Then a massage, then some treat I would like. But yeah, I hope that answers your question. Your own personal favorite song sung by you, and how was the recording experience of that song? Personal favorite बोलना मुश्किल है. It's impossible because I am a product of so many songs, thousands of songs, and I've always treated all my songs that I've sung in the studio as my first songs. So all those are my babies. But some experiences, yes, I can share. Dil Mein Jagi Dhadkan ऐसे was a very difficult song to sing because it was in one breath. The whole Mukhra was supposed to be sung in one breath. So it took me a lot of time. I had to actually go into a small room. I asked MM Karim sir if I can take like an hour or so to practice and then come back and sing on the mic. He was just way too sure and confident about me that, hi, you're right. I said, okay, but how? So I had to really take out some time and practice. बट या वो बोलते हैं ना कि अगर आप प्रैक्टिस करो तो फिर कुछ भी हो सकता है. आई वॉज एट इट लाइक कंटिन्यूसली फॉर एन आवर एंड अ हाफ एंड देन आई केम बैक टू द booth and I sang it. I think in 1 or 2 takes it was fine and he was very happy. I was very happy that it was like I achieved something today, you know. And yeah, that was one experience. And then singing Azara was surreal. I really loved that song. The moment I heard it, I was like, this I can't wait to sing. I can't wait to get on the mic. And after the recording was over, I honestly did not think that this song will reach so many people, and how people feel about that song now today when I sing on stage, the response is incredible. And it still is so relevant. I'm glad, because if a good song is relevant like forever, then what else do you need? It's got that evergreen quality that people say. So yeah. How to feel self-confident about starting something new? Nobody's asked me that. Nice, interesting question. मुझे लगता है if you have to follow your inner voice. If your instinct is pulling you towards something and you are able to take that risk of going into that direction, if you're like जो होगा देखा जाएगा, जब वो बात आ जाती है ना, जो होगा देखा जाएगा, let's just start. I think that's the time you already have the confidence, and it's probably the people around you who are stopping you. और कोई क्या कहेगा या फिर क्या ये सही है नहीं, it's all the devil that we all have in us who's stopping us. Otherwise, the first voice, the virgin voice is the key. You have to follow that voice. That's what I do. How will this tour be different from previous tours? This is the same tour. I Am Home is now India tour. It's funny that we've performed almost everywhere. Australia, US, barring UK. UK is also supposed to happen soon. And Singapore, Dubai. But since the past 2 years, हम India में नहीं कर पाए. So I'm just happy that it's happening in India. और that's what is different, क्योंकि इंडिया की जो वाइब है, अपने लोगों के बीच में रहकर जो आप परफॉर्म करते हो, और अगर उसमें से एक आपका अपना घर ही हो, जैसे मुंबई में है, मैं दिल्ली से हूँ तो दिल्ली भी बहुत क्लोज है मेरे दिल से, तो इसकी अलग एनर्जी होगी, मुझे ऐसा लगता है. और हमारे देसी लोग जो इन सब गानों को जानते हैं, बाहर हम जाते हैं जो गाने लोगों को मालूम भी नहीं होता, लोग जस्ट फॉर द सेक ऑफ म्यूज़िक दे एन्जॉय इट, दे डिग देम. बट यहाँ पे तो मोस्टली ऐसा होगा. I mean, I know, because people know the songs and they can have a better time, you know, because in a concert, as an audience, I have not been a part of many concerts as an audience, but it's wonderful when you know the songs of the singer you're listening to and you can sing along and dance, and you already know the next line. I think it just is a great kind of a feeling. So yeah, I think that's why it's going to feel different. And of course, I have added a few things here and there to make it more shiny. So I hope you all will enjoy it. सबसे छोटा क्वेश्चन, न्यू सॉन्ग व्हेन? क्यूट. सो आई कीप सिंगिंग सॉन्ग्स. ओके, अब पहले जैसा अब नहीं रहा. जब आप स्टूडियो में जाते थे और आपको मालूम था कि आप कौन सी फिल्म के लिए गा रहे हैं, वो फिल्म कब रिलीज़ होगी, किस हीरोइन के लिए गा रहे हैं. सीन इज़ अ लिटिल डिफरेंट नाउ. यू just go to the studios and sometimes somebody new has approached you and you've just liked the song and you don't care about किस फिल्म के लिए है, किस नॉन फिल्म के लिए है, आप गाते हो और फिर उसका रास्ता अपने आप बनता है. समटाइम्स आई एम सरप्राइज बाय अ रिलीज़, अरे ये कब गाया था, ये कब रिलीज़ हुआ. सो ऐसा होता है. बट आई एम डेफिनेटली चूजिंग सॉन्ग्स विच रियली इंटरेस्ट मी, और जो मैं ऑलरेडी कर चुकी हूँ वो मैं थोड़ा कोशिश करती हूँ कि रिपीट ना करूँ, क्योंकि वी शुड ऑलवेज कीप गोइंग फॉरवर्ड इन लाइफ. जो आप कर चुके हो उसमें उसको रिपीट करने में क्या मज़ा है. सो वो मेरा एक इंटेंशन रहता है. सो लेट्स सी, होपफुली you'll hear a lot of songs in future. Sunidhi Chauhan is not Sunidhi Chauhan without आवाज़, I guess. Yeah. What am I? Who am I? To y'all, of course, it's my voice. But now that I have a family, and I think my meaning, my being in this life on this earth has a lot more meaning than I thought before. And now, being a mother, being a wife, it's good to have nice people around you, people who love you and who you love. So yeah, otherwise I think बस यही है जिसकी वजह से आज तक आप लोगों ने मुझे रखा है अपने मन में और अपने थॉट्स में, और आई जस्ट होप दैट स्टेज फॉर एज लॉन्ग एज आई मीन इट कैन. हाउ कैन आई प्रिपेयर माई सेल्फ फॉर दिस? फॉर वट? हाउ कैन आई प्रिपेयर माई सेल्फ फॉर दिस? वट? टोर. How can you prepare for my tour or my concert? Don't prepare, please. You want to come in your pajamas, I don't care. Just come and just listen to some songs that you really like, some songs that are new to you. We obviously put in a lot of effort into how the show looks and feels, and the production and everything, the sound. I hope you have a nice sonic experience also, not just the visual, but because that's what people say, that when they come for my shows, they have a great experience of audio and visual. So I'm looking forward to doing that in a better fashion this time, and hope you have a great time. Don't come prepared. That should be the last thing you should do. Last question. What is your voice routine before an event? Something like this, like for half an hour, just to relax my vocals. But I keep singing all the time here and there. मेरा कोई ऐसा नहीं होता कि बैठ के रियाज कर रहे हैं, जो बहुत ज़रूरी है. I'm not discouraging that, but मुझे वो थोड़ा कम करने के लिए मिलता है with the kind of schedule I have. But I find time when I'm driving. I love driving, so when I'm driving to my studio, I sing. When I'm at rehearsals, I sing and rehearse. So एक अलग तरह का रियाज होता रहता है. But before going on stage, everybody should warm up. I think that's very important, because ultimately it's a muscle and you need to relax your muscle, just like how you warm up before dancing or before running a race. So honestly वो भी कभी कभी नहीं मिलता है, and lot of people are very angry with me about that, क्योंकि वो बहुत important है करना. उसमें सिर्फ ये होता है कि when I'm on stage, then I get tired a little too soon, and then I'm struggling to cope. But I don't let that show, obviously, but it's only good for me. So everybody should warm up and go on stage. हो गया. आपसे बात करने के चक्कर में कॉफ़ी में डेफिनेटली भूल ही गई. But before I go, I just want to say thank you already for taking the time out and buying the tickets for the show. And people who haven't yet, then I would say try and buy the tickets and come for the show, because मुझे भी मौका नहीं मिलता है. आपको तो शायद फिर भी और मौके मिल जाए मुझे वापस देखने के या किसी और को देखने के, बट मुझे आप लोगों से मिलने का मौका शायद दोबारा बहुत जल्दी ना मिले. और बॉम्बे में या इंडिया में इस लेवल पर, इस स्केल पर शोज़ बहुत रेगुलरली नहीं होते, हम ज़्यादातर बाहर जाके करते रहते हैं. सो प्लीज़ आइए, लेट्स मीट एंड हैव अ गुड टाइम. And to those who are very interested in knowing what goes behind all this, whether it's my recordings in the studio or rehearsing or backstage, for all that stuff, Sunidhi on the Move is the handle that you can follow and have more updates and info about what I've been doing and what I am going to do in future.
Yeah.
God.